way to sun. You guys can see, right? So today I'm going to put this together and use it and show you guys. Excuse me, just got done eating and taking a drink and now I got the bursies. But I wanted to talk to you guys for a quick minute. Baby, can you shut the door? Thank you. About why I went ahead and bought, whoa, that got dark. Give me a minute. Okay. So, started to say, I want to tell you about why we went ahead and bought this. Up until this point out in the garage, we have been using my mom's vacuum cleaner when we do vacuum. A few problems with that, and please, for the love of Mary, do not say anything or think anything negative of my mama for this, because I will not tolerate it, number one. Number two, why can't we buy our own sweeper? We're adults. Number three, it was just easier. So we just went ahead, it's a little, you saw it, it's a Bissell Power Force compact, lightweight vacuum cleaner. There's nothing super special about it. It was like 40 bucks. It's not the one that I want ultimately. I ultimately want a Shark cordless stick vacuum. Yeah, shark bait. Ooh ha ha. And so this is like an interim, you know, use it till we can get what I want vacuum. I do know that they are not super sturdy, or they're not known for, you know, longevity. I don't need it to be. I need it to vacuum in here and when we get our place, please, oh Lord. So anyway, I'm gonna put it together for you guys and do a little cleaning video today. Not my normal stuff, but it is part of our Garage Life series that I'm doing. So let's get to putting it together. I think that was the easiest vacuum cleaner I have ever put together in my life. You literally just snap that handle into it. That's crazy. Oh, and this is like an extension wand. So the handle, that's why you just snap it in there. Gotcha. Interesting. All right, well, let me get set up to sweep. Okay, so I'm going to show you a feature on this that I didn't know I had. There's actually like a locking mechanism for when you put this hose, which attaches to the sweeper, into the extended handle. The question is, oh, okay, so you just turn it. And there it goes. But to keep it from coming off while you're using it, you turn it to lock it in. That's pretty cool. And I do like the shape of the handle while I'm using the extension. So, good job, Bissell. Hubby's got a bag. Are you gonna do it for me so I can get a good angle on it?
Sure.
So this is what one pass. Hold on, turn it around. Let's see. Turn it around. This is one pass. Oh my Lornta. Holy cow, that is so nasty. Look at all that. It's no wonder we were sneezing so much. There's still a bunch up in there on this side. We'll clean that out. But, and I wasn't going super slow either. Like I wasn't speeding, but I wasn't going super slow. Wow. How much do you think that weighs?
A little bit.
A little bit? Oh my gosh. How embarrassing. Okay. Well, like I say, keeping it real on way to sun. But I'm very happy with the way it works. Very lightweight, which I need. Very good suction, as you saw. Now the dirt underneath the door over here, I'm telling you, that was not all us. There was no way that was all us, because I have swept that out since we've been in here. Well, I shouldn't say I swept that out. We have swept in here. I don't know, maybe it was all us. I don't think it was though. That was way a lot of dirt, and it had no problem with it. It just swooped it right up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the Bissell Power Force Compact, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.